Hey, so different setup. We're actually filming on my phone today in my bathroom. The window's like right here and I'm standing in my bathtub, but I'm gonna do this style video because I don't want to clean and I don't want to set up my actual setup for the November Ipsy bag. This is the card. Before I go into the first product, I want to prime. We're doing this quick and simple because I have to leave in less than an hour. Now that the skin is all primed, I'm gonna go in with the first product, which is the It Cosmetics CC Plus Cream in the shade Light. It's an SPF of 50. Pretty cloudy day today. It's a little dark, but it's making my skin look pretty good. Other than the shade, I really like it. Now that we're all blended, I'm gonna go in with some concealer and powder. That CC cream gave a really nice, like, natural finish. Yes, I have like a third eye growing, but it's fine. I can bronze this up. A little bit of highlighter. Probably said this before, but the difference that brows make. Now I'm not going in with any eye primer, but I'm just adding some bronzer, like all over the lid and into the crease. For our next product, going in with this eyeshadow. This is the ColourPop eyeshadow in the shade Come and Get It. Almost like a pink with like gold reflex. Just gonna apply it with my finger. Just to add something to the lid. With the gold, it makes it so you don't look like you're sick. I'm just gonna go back into my bronzer to blend it out and add some mascara. With my points, I got this lip liner. It's the Real Her Expert Advice lip liner, and I love myself. I'm gonna use this to line the lips. Here's the lip liner. This would like pair perfectly with Too Faced lip paint in Birthday Suit, which is what I have in my bathroom at the moment. I'm gonna apply that. Next thing, the Gold Lust Dry Shampoo by Orbit. All I did for this hair was dampen it, put some Not My Mother's sea salt spray, scrunch it, and that's my hair. I don't know what brush this is, but I got a crown brush. This would be perfect for blush. I just don't have any right now, and I just don't think this look needs any. Last thing is the Kenzie perfume. It smells like Vegas. Walking through the casino, it's in the morning, and you smell the coffee, and overly scented with perfume. That is what this smells like. I will have all the products down below, all the Ipsy products, along with all the products that I have on my face to help create this look. Overall, 3 out of 5 stars. I thought I was gonna like it way better than I actually did. You win some, you lose some. If you guys like this video, go ahead, subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below, or at me on my social media, which is all under Sassmaddie YT. Same with Twitter, Instagram. Let me know what you got in your November Ipsy bag. What product was your standout, and which product were you like, yeah, no thanks. I think the product that I was most disappointed in was this perfume. I thought it would smell way better than it actually did. And my standout product would actually have to be this, even though it is way too dark for me. I really like it. Other than that, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.